So, everybody got a chance to check out a compressed bale. I really need to get a round bale up here. Do you think you guys could finish a round bale in a reasonable period of time? No, probably not. We just need square bales. So this guy here is a compressed hay bale, I think, but there might be some alfalfa in it, which everybody likes that. Ain't that right, Lucky? Let's see. You guys tipped it over. Yeah, Timothy grass. You guys like that? It's not as good as corn, is it? Uh-oh. Junior's coming up. Yeah. How is it? Is it good? Yeah? Pretty good. So, our junk food goats aren't super fond of hay. They'll eat it, but they would much rather wait for somebody to come out here and put corn in their bucket. So, this is definitely a junk food goat. Are you getting too round to lick yourself back there? Yeah, I think that's a yes. We are getting a little too round to reach all the way back there. Maybe if you were nicer to the other goats, they would help you out there. Meep. Kind of a mean goat, aren't you? Please don't eat the plastic. I opened up the side. You guys are making all kinds of noises. Meep, you are very round. Let's see. Yeah, we're not very happy with me because she broke through the fence today and snapped a bunch of welds, and my brother had to come over and help me out. So, yeah, what we decided to do was we're going to put an electric fence up. Yeah, I've got all the stuff to do it. I just need to get motivated. Once we do that, what are you up to, buddy? Huh? I think I just got head-butted or something. I don't know. I don't think. Maybe not head-butted. Maybe we just pushed up against me because we need some scratches. Just about. Uh-oh. Turkey's escaped. Alright, well. This is going to have to end because those guys are out. That's not good. Dang it. I'm having a really bad day. She broke through the fence, like I said earlier, snapped a bunch of welds on a metal fence, and went directly to the turkey's coop and pushed it off of the concrete pad slightly and then punched through the side of it so that she could get to some corn. Well, ground up baby bird corn. They add some stuff to it, but its base is cornmeal, I think. So, yeah, my coop is somewhat destroyed, and now the turkeys are able to wander around out on their own. And that was going to happen eventually anyway, but I wanted to put them in there. Of course, it's being used by that guy. Yeah, and I don't want them getting chewed up, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. I guess I could probably catch them and put them back in the mega brooder box, but the whole plan is to give these guys as much room as possible. That way I reduce my feed cost. Yeah. So let's go check on them, see what they're doing.